Hey guys, welcome back. If you're looking for a way to add modern technology to your car without replacing the factory stereo, then you need to check out the K2 Pro Smart Car Display. This impressive device combines wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and a built-in 4K dash cam into one sleek package. The first thing you'll notice is the massive 11.3-inch ultra-wide touchscreen. Compared to traditional portable displays, the larger screen makes navigation easier to see and gives your dashboard a modern, premium appearance. The display features a sharp 1920 by 720 resolution with advanced in-cell technology. Colors are brighter, images are clearer, and touch response feels fast and accurate. The screen also runs at 60 Hz, making animations, maps, and menus appear smooth and responsive. One of the biggest highlights is support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once your phone is connected, you can access Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, calls, messages, and voice assistants without plugging in a cable. The K2 Pro also works as a powerful dash cam system. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, capturing license plates, road signs, and important details with impressive clarity. For even better coverage, an optional rear camera records in 1080p, allowing simultaneous front and rear monitoring. For drivers who want detailed trip information, the optional GPS module records speed, location, and route history, making it useful for travel tracking and accident documentation. Audio flexibility is another major advantage. You can connect through Bluetooth, AUX, or FM transmission, allowing the device to work with nearly any vehicle audio system while maintaining excellent sound quality. The system also supports wireless screen mirroring, reverse camera display, app-based video downloads, and optional 24-hour parking monitoring for added vehicle security. If you want navigation, entertainment, smartphone connectivity, and dash cam protection all in one device, the K2 Pro is definitely worth considering.